now is the time to go within. It's a time when we get to let go. We get to let go of the day. We get to let go of the week. And we give ourselves permission just to be. It's in the space where we don't need to figure anything out. It's in the space where we don't have to do anything. It's in the space where we are held. And so it's in this moment where we invite in Spirit. We open our hearts to let Spirit come in. And to fill us. To fill us with the light and the love of God. The peace of God. And it's in the space where the great remembering happens. We get to remember what it feels like to be loved unconditionally. We get to remember that we are connected to something so much bigger than ourselves. We get to remember this connection that we have with God. We get to remember that there's no separation. There never has been any separation between ourselves and God, between ourselves and each other, between ourselves and love. We get to remember joy, true happiness. It's where we remember to become like children. In our innocence. Where we just get to play, laugh, giggle, and become childlike. Because we get to remember how loved we truly are. And so just for this moment, just give yourself permission to receive all of that. It's okay. This is not something that you need to earn. This is not something where you need to check all the boxes. This is who you are. You are a child of God who loves you unconditionally and is here right now. And it's within this space, if there's anything that comes to mind, any support that you need, go ahead and ask and affirm your prayer. Don't worry about the how or the why. Simply ask. And then if you can think about another person, another place, or anything else that comes to your mind where you'd love to send some energy, go ahead and do that. Just imagine this white light that's inside of your heart, and you can direct this love and go ahead and send it out through your heart, wherever you would like to send it. Maybe you have more than one thing. Don't be shy. Open your heart and give and give and give your thoughts and your prayers.